Well, we made it to the end of the class, and I want to show you the things that I included in my plan of study. This is for my summer online learning class, which taking your course, it really opened my eyes to embedding the video rather than having links. Um, so one of the things that I did that's different than what I've done in the years past is I did an introduction video. So I usually put a little synopsis about myself and then a picture, and um, but this year I actually included a video of myself as well, so the kids could get used to me, a little bit of my personality, learn a little bit about me. Because it's an online course, they're not going to meet me or see me or talk to me. So it was good to include a video of myself. I noticed recording this video that I didn't title it. So the other ones that I've done, I made sure that I included a title. So that was something that I hadn't done before. I think video is better than words. I think kids watch things and listen to things and are able to do assignments when it's more visual than verbal or even written. Because this is an online course, there's a lot of words that they have to read. So having videos here and there to make that process a little more clear of what you want, I think is helpful. Week one in here, I made sure that I included the links for different things. So like here, this first one, I made a video, a screencast of myself going through the entire process of what to do for week one. So I made a video of what they're supposed to do for week one. So it's very clear what they do first and how they finish it and what they need to put in each part. So I feel like that's helpful, especially because it's online. They won't be able to ask me as many questions. They can in the parking lot, but to visually see it, I think is helpful. In here for creating a balloon project, I explain it. I try to explain what I want, what I'm looking for, but I also put some examples in case kids get stuck. So I was able to embed some vetted videos that were helpful, that did what I wanted to do, and used household items that kids would have at home. So that was an addition to this activity. I also made sure, well, first of all, I made sure that there were videos that I made, but also that I curated some videos that went with what I was teaching. So here's the more that are embedded. A couple ways to make the catapult, so give kids some ideas of what to do if they're stuck, including the directions of what they're supposed to do. So as I went through this process of making this course, which is STEM, but it's also force and motion, I made sure that the videos I used went with the curriculum, made sense to kids, were super clear, great voice, great content. I also made videos that were instructional and were clear and kids could follow. And I just used the screencast to make it make sense. And then I used the face-to-face video to introduce myself. I also made sure that the links were approved so that when kids go through and they click on the links will appear. So those are the things that I put into this course. The things that I learned in class that were things I hadn't used before were using the Adobe Spark. I could see in my face-to-face class that I'm teaching for summer school that we could do some storytelling using the Adobe Spark. That was really fun. I enjoyed making the Adobe Spark, and I learned a lot about how to do it, and I felt like it was easy to learn. The end of it, the share button, I saved it as a file instead of sharing it, and then I realized that I was supposed to share it, and then it downloaded it. And then I've done the stop motion. I'd like to do it with a video, like a iPad or something like that, rather than the slideshow. So that's something I would like to try with my class next year. But I've learned a lot. I enjoyed this class, and I'm looking forward to taking some more in the future. Thanks so much.